In this video, I'll answer the question, why is your Binance account frozen and how to fix it? Later, I'll show you guys the best way for even complete beginners to buy, sell, store, and exchange crypto. You don't want to miss that, so watch this video to the end. Binance account can be frozen for several reasons. One common reason is security. If Binance detects unusual activity on your account, it may freeze it to protect your funds. Another reason is regulatory compliance. Sometimes accounts are frozen if verification is incomplete or information does not match Binance records. The first thing to do is check your email. Binance usually sends a notification explaining why your account is frozen. Look for an email from Binance with the subject "Account Locked" or "Account Restricted." Read it carefully because it will tell you what action is needed. Next, make sure your identity verification is complete. Open the Binance app and go to Profile, then Verification. If you see that your verification is pending or incomplete, complete the required steps. This may include uploading a photo ID, a selfie, or proof of address. If verification is complete and your account is still frozen, check for security alerts. Go to Security in the app and review your recent login activity. If you see logins from unknown devices or locations, this may have triggered the freeze. In this case, change your password immediately and enable two-factor authentication. Sometimes frozen accounts happen due to withdrawal or trading issues. If Binance detects suspicious trading patterns or unusual withdrawals, it may freeze the account. In this case, you need to wait for Binance support to review the account. To contact Binance support, open the app and go to Support. Then select Chat or submit a ticket. Provide all requested information, including your account details and any verification documents. Be clear and concise, explaining that your account is frozen and you want it reviewed. Avoid using multiple devices or VPNs during this process, as this can trigger additional security checks. Only use your verified mobile device and trusted network to communicate with Binance. While waiting for support, do not attempt to create a new account to access your funds. This may violate Binance rules and delay the resolution. Once Binance reviews your account, they will provide instructions to unlock it. Follow these instructions carefully. After your account is unfrozen, review your security settings, enable two-factor authentication, and make sure all verification details are up to date. Following these steps will help you understand why your Binance account is frozen and how to fix it safely. Start by checking emails and verification, then review security, and finally contact support if needed. As promised, if you're looking for the easiest way to buy, sell, store, and swap crypto, I recommend checking out Rockwallet. It's a super cool app that lets you stay in complete control of your crypto since it's non-custodial. Even if you've never bought any kind of cryptocurrency before and you're not tech savvy at all, Rockwallet will walk you through it step by step. You can install the app for free using the link in the description below. If you would like help installing Rockwallet and creating your account, click the video showing up on your screen. It's a detailed tutorial walking you through the exact steps to setting up and using Rockwallet.